So these traditional buildings, when they were built, the idea of a traditional building was you built the property, solid walls, rainwater will soak in so far.
Yeah.
And then when weather conditions change, this moisture that's in your walls, it'll dry out before it gets to inside.
Yeah.
But what tends to happen is over 100-year period, the building starts to weather. So you're pointing. Bricks might start spalling. You get little cracks in your bricks, and then water gets in. And if it's freezing cold, ice turns to ice. Ice expands, cracks your brick. So you get all this over a long period. So these types of buildings are susceptible to damp then. Gutters leaking and stuff like that.